Welcome back. Today we're talking about problem solving. You may wonder, isn't that just thinking or deciding? Well, problem solving is more structured. It's like having a plan to tackle puzzles, tasks, or real-world issues step by step. There are many types of problems. Let's start with two big categories. Goals and steps are clear, common in math or puzzles. For example, a riddle with one correct answer. You know what success looks like. Goals may shift, paths can change. Examples: designing a new product or writing an essay. There's no single right approach. Think of fixing a computer error. Sometimes it's a neat fix, a well-defined problem. Other times, you try many things because the error is unclear, an ill-defined challenge. Let's see what the process of solving a problem usually looks like. Spot that something's wrong, or that there's a gap, then define it in clear terms. Sketch it out in your head or on paper. List constraints and your goals. Pick your approach. Will you follow a set formula or use a shortcut? This is where we choose algorithms or heuristics. Try out your chosen plan, check if it works. If not, adjust. If you find yourself getting stuck, don't worry, just go back and forth a bit. It might help to recheck your representation or even refine your strategy. You know, different problems call for different methods, so here are some go-to strategies that might just do the trick. Let's talk about algorithms. They're all about taking things step by step. If you follow an algorithm fully, you're guaranteed to get a result. They're especially great for well-defined tasks, like solving math equations. Simple rules or shortcuts, not always perfect but faster. Means-end analysis. Break it into smaller goals, working backward. Start from the end goal and trace steps. Trial and error. Test solutions until one works. Borrow ideas from a similar situation. If you solved a past problem, can you adapt that solution here? If you're stuck fixing a device, think of how you fixed a similar gadget before. That's analogy at work. Even with good strategies, we can stumble. Let's see what holds us back. Using the same old approach even if it stops working. Example, trying only one method because it once helped. Thinking an object can only do one thing. For example, seeing a spoon only for eating, not as a lever. We've talked about biases like confirmation bias. Sometimes we cling to our first idea. That can block better solutions. Problem solving is a structured process. We define the issue, pick a plan, test it, and learn. We face obstacles like mental ruts or biases, but knowing they exist helps us solve problems more effectively. In the next video, we'll talk about creativity. Often, fresh ideas can break us out of our normal thinking. That's key for tackling tough or unusual problems. I hope you'll join me. Thank you for watching. Look around at problems in your day. Try applying these steps. Notice if you hit a mental block or if you find a creative fix. See you next time.